Hi viewers, welcome to Rasam's Way. Today I am going to make a rasam which is Chukku Milagu Thippali. Chukku means dry ginger powder. You can use dry ginger pieces also. Milagu means black pepper. Thippali means Pipli, long pepper. This is very good for health. If you have body ache and all, you can prepare this rasam and have it. So for that I have taken quarter teaspoon dry ginger powder, turmeric powder, salt as required, quarter teaspoon black pepper, 4 Pipli I have taken, cumin seeds I have taken quarter teaspoon, 1 tablespoon tur dal, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon chana dal, little bit of methi seeds, 1 red chilli, mustard seeds, curry leaves, coriander leaves for garnishing, and here some coriander stems I have chopped and put it in this, ghee, oil and hing powder. If you want, you can add little bit of jaggery in this. The pan is hot. I will add 1 teaspoon of oil in this, tur dal, chana dal, and the chilli goes in. We have to fry this. When it is fried, now we'll add some curry leaves in this. Methi seeds, and the cumin seeds. Now we will transfer this into a mixer pot for making a paste out of this. I have transferred them into the mixer pot. You can add little salt in the tomato so that it will get cooked fast. In the meantime, we'll add the Kokum syrup in this. Instead of Kokum, you can use tamarind pulp, the dry powder like sun powder, turmeric, salt, and we'll add water in this. The cooked tomato also I have added into this. Now we'll boil this. I forgot to add the black pepper and the Pipoli while frying the dal, so I am frying this separately now. And add to the mixer pot in the mixer which I have already transferred. I have made a coarse paste of this masala which we roasted. Now we'll add little water in this and add to the rasam which is boiling. I have added the spice mix in it. If you want more spicy, you can increase the quantity of black pepper and Pipli and the red chili. Now this has started frothing. Adjust the salt and you can add the jaggery in it then after adjusting the salt. In place of Kokum syrup or tamarind pulp, you can add a lime juice also. I have prepared another version of this Chukku Milagu Thippali Rasam. The link I will be giving in the description box. You can check it in my blog. Now we will remove this. It has started boiling. I haven't added jaggery in it. You can add jaggery or sugar. Now ghee. Always temper the rasam in ghee. It tastes good. Always temper the rasam with ghee. It tastes good. Ghee added. Mustard seeds. When it splutters, add the cumin seeds. I always add a little bit of methi seeds also, curry leaves, hing powder, the Chukku Milagu Thippali Rasam is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications whenever I upload a video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.